Algorand domain name on a testnet doesn't cost us anything other than a few clicks on a button. Let's effing go. My name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. Today we're going over Algorand domain name so we can get up to $20,000 potential ENS airdrop, and it's gonna be for free because it is on testnet. So this is what we're doing today. Why? Because we got this lovely article, ANS available on a testnet. Algorand name service ANS is now available for beta testing at this website. All the links will be in the description. Of course, you can subscribe. Hop over to register your .algo name on the Algorand test network. Here's the link to the faucet. Okay, so we also got faucet. We got the website, so we can get finance after 40.algo, and we're gonna put stuff on our My Algo wallet, which if you don't have one already, tutorial below. Very important, change to testnet. Okay, this is my wallet. This is the mainnet. This is my testnet. If you don't know what I'm talking about, again, watch my Algorand videos and get yourself My Algo wallet. So we got ourselves testnet. Okay, we are on the wallet. We are on the testnet. Now we need money. Before we need money, let's see how much we need. Registration for .algo name is now open on testnet. Free. I love free airdrops. You spend 5-10 minutes, and in the future you get money flowing into your MetaMask wallet or Algorand wallet in that case. ANS is a decentralized name service designed for Algorand community. Algorand smart contract is used to store names, govern the naming policy. Register for .algo name is now open. Grab your .algo name now. So let's grab it. Okay, click register now. This is what we're doing. And now we got ourselves with a domain. Users can register and link your .algo name to your wallet, and link your social media profile to your .algo name, and accept token or assets transfer. You know, once it goes live, I really hope that things will go good, because it will attract more people to Algorand. I don't think people know about Algorand because it's not on MetaMask. You need a completely different wallet. But I got you, and I'm also not a robot. So let's click here, domain name. Finance after 40. Let's see what we got. Proceed. Searching. And now you need to connect your My Algo. So let's connect. Unlock. This is super secure. Just click. I don't even know my code anymore. I hope I wrote it somewhere. I did write it somewhere. If you like the joke, subscribe. Also Patreon. We are almost at 100 members. I can't thank you enough. Truly, this is it helps. It really helps to make a better life for everyone around me that I care about, and myself, of course. Register an account, so thank you for that. So that's my account. Click confirm. Okay, and this is very important part. Confirm registration on a testnet fee. This is the key here. The name registration requires a one-time fee to be sent to the Algorand smart contract. The fee is with the faucet. It's free. A portion of this fee goes to the ecosystem. The name must be minimum 3 characters based on the character length. I have finance after 40, so I'm gonna use this one. 5 characters or more. I need 32 Algorand. Test. 32 Algorand test. If you want like I don't know, ABC, it's 300 Algorand on a test, so it's still free. You may notice a separate 1.1 payment transaction. This transaction is required to find the signature. I don't really care because it's all on a testnet. The name you register is yours forever. This is cool. You only have to pay a one-time fee to register the name. You do not have to pay for renewals. Yeah, everyone. ENS was the first, but all the others are coming and will be better, and hopefully even better airdrop. You know, you pay once, you don't have to do renewal, all that nonsense. Social media profile. Once you register your name, you can start linking your social media profiles from the dashboard. Click confirm to sign the transaction. Okay, but Okay, let's confirm. Let's see what's going on. I confirm the transaction and transfer algo 32 algo plus 1.1 algo. You are executing a transaction. Okay. Click sign. Interesting. Should be good. Congratulations, you have successfully registered. That's it. Huh. Finance after 40.algo. Finance after 40.algo is now this one. Add social, search name. This is cool. Very important. I didn't do this. This was super fast. I like Algorand very, very much. You see registration 100%. This is a sleeper. People don't know about it, as I said, because there's a wallet. To get 32 Algorand testnet, you need to go to the faucet, which I will link below. You see now my wallet balance, auto lock, no activity, so they locked it automatically. You see, it went from 40 to like 6.8. Okay, but it's all on a testnet. And when you go to the faucet, you click I'm no robot. Let's copy my address. Okay. Let's copy my address and then please dispense. It dispense only 10 algo at a time. I don't know if it's every hour or something. You need to reach 32, so you need to do it 4 times before you can buy your Algorand. So just, there's no rush, but you need to do that. Let's click dispense just for the example. Status code 200. So now it says success. So now I should have like 17. We're gonna wait, and while we wait, I'm gonna wait for a joke, because a lot of you in the comments told me some jokes, which it was funny, but I didn't write it down, which I need to do so. But nonetheless, I got myself 16.8 Algorand. Let's see, just for the example, if I can send again to finance after 40. This should be interesting. I am not a robot. And let's see what happens if I just search, dispense on the faucet 2 seconds later. Code error, failed to dispense money, failed to decode finance. Okay, so finance after 40 doesn't work until it's on mainnet. Let's see if you need to wait a little bit. Code error, captcha failed. You need to wait for the faucet to do it 4 times, then you can register. Search names. Let's search again that everything is good. Domain name. Finance after 40.algo. There's some sounds outside. Registered by this, controlled by this. That's my wallet. No social. I can add a social profile. What is that? Connect your wallet. Doesn't really matter. And you're done. You got yourself an Algorand name service for free. If they drop airdrop to early users, look at this. Finance after 40.algo. So be it. If not, it doesn't cost you anything other than a couple of minutes. Subscribe if you like what you see, and I will see you next time.